Now that we have our table, we can start adding rows to the table, as well as reading and then manipulating data within it. So the basic actions to be performed on the table can be summarized into one word: CRUD. Now when I say CRUD, I'm not referring to the crud on Tommy's paws when he came in today. Instead, CRUD is a database-related acronym standing for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. So let's visualize how these actions can be taken on the spreadsheet, and then we can take a look at how we can use them on the actual table later on. So starting off with the action Create. So say we have a pet come in. It's a male 7-kilogram terrier named Baxter. He's brought into the shelter. So to add him to the table, we simply add another row to the table containing all his information. And so this is considered a create action. So next up is the read action. So say the table has filled up with quite a few pets, and a client wants in, wanting to know if there are female pets in the shelter. Well, we can sort the column gender, and then just search for the female pets. So selecting the rows that we want with the information that we want is considered a read action. So next up is update. Maybe we found out that Baxter is not just a terrier. Instead, he's a border terrier. So what we would do is go to his row, change his breed entry, updating that information. And so this is an update action. And lastly is our delete action. If we find out that we've added a pet by mistake and want to remove that pet from our current list, we can simply delete that row. So given that our table is organized like this spreadsheet, it can be easy to visualize the actions. So next, let's take a quick look at the different actions we'll take within our Pets app, and then we can decide which specific SQLite actions we'll need to learn in order to accomplish those.